welcome back to my channel. Today I am back with another Barbie haul. I hope you all don't get tired of all these hauls from Barbie. I literally can't get enough. And Aldo just came out with the cutest Barbie collection, and of course I had to pick some items from that collection because why not? And then I also have something really cute from Charmed Aromas, so if you want to see more, keep on watching. If you're new here, welcome. I'm Fabiola and I create all kinds of pink videos. So if you love any of that, make sure you click the subscribe button below, click the bell notification, and follow me on my Instagram, FABIOLAGOFFICIAL. That being said, let's go ahead and move on with this adorable Barbie haul. But first, can we just talk about this beautiful Barbie packaging? Like, the box is the cutest. I'm definitely saving this box. It is so pretty and I love it. I'm like obsessed. And I kind of want to go back and get another pair of like different ones. These are so beautiful. And a lot of the things from this collection have sold out, but I know they still have them in stores. So these are the shoes that I got. Like, how adorable is this? The box is everything. It almost looks like a Barbie box with a Barbie doll inside, but instead you get some heels. And I chose these for a Barbie event that I'm going to be going to in the next couple weeks. And they are absolutely stunning, like beautiful. They are rhinestone heels. Look how gorgeous. I believe these are 4.25 inches. And the bottom has glitter. Like, how pretty. I don't even want to walk in these. They're so beautiful. I don't want to ruin the glitter, but they're so glittery. They're beautiful. It says Aldo, and it has the letter B for Barbie throughout the whole entire shoe and rhinestones. The inside are so comfy. So these are their new shoes, the ones that are called something cloud, and it's supposed to be like super comfy, and it literally is. It's very cushiony. So I'm obsessed. They also have these in this like super bright hot pink, which I wanted as well, but then I opted to get these. Aren't they just like adorable? They're like literally Barbie shoes. So these next two items are some handbags. And I'm going to start off first with the bigger one. I did order a mini one. It's extra small, and then I ordered one that I could use out. Wait till you see this gorgeous handbag. It is the most gorgeous bag I've ever seen. Like, look at this beauty. It has little buttons throughout the whole bag. It has like Barbie little jacket, the Barbie logo. This even looks like a little lipstick. It is absolutely stunning, and it is incredibly soft, like so soft. The quilted look, the strap, the chain little strap, it is absolutely stunning. So this does pull out, so you can wear it on the shorter version, or you can just pull out one and you can use it as a crossbody. This bag is going to go with me on that event. Like, it has to go with me. It is so beautiful. I absolutely love this handbag so much. I would say if you have to get anything from this collection, this one here is a must. Highly recommend it. The inside looks like this. Again, the inside is very, very soft. It's incredibly soft. And then the inside has a light shade of pink. It says Barbie. And it comes with a little dust bag, and it says Barbie for Aldo. This is adorable. Look how cute. This is so adorable. And what else is inside? Some more stuffing. But the bag is really good size. You can definitely fit your phone, wallet, keys, everything you need inside this little bag. And here is a little Barbie tag. Absolutely adorable. And it does have a little zipper compartment inside as well. So this next handbag is actually smaller than I thought. It looked a little bit bigger on the website, but when I got it, I fell in love with it because it's so cute and tiny, and it says Barbie. And it's this super cute micro bag. and you can literally probably only fit your credit cards in here. You cannot fit a phone. You can definitely fit credit cards and your keys, and that's about it. But it is absolutely beautiful, and I could just not pass on this bag. It does come in two different colors, like a hot pink and then this light shade of pink, and it says the word Barbie in rhinestones. How cute. It's so pretty. I love it. And then the way you open it is you just tap on this and it opens like this. And this one here is made out of this like satin material. Absolutely stunning. And it also comes with its own little dust bag. Like, how cute is this? It says Barbie for Aldo. So pretty. And this little bag comes with a strap as well that you can use as a crossbody. Okay, this is the inside of the bag. So it's so small. It's absolutely tiny. But like I said, you can put in your cards and your keys, and that's about it. I just want to show you all very quickly what fits inside this adorable little micro bag. You can actually fit more than I thought. I have my AirPods. I have a lipstick in here. And I also have this like little perfume in here as well. And you can definitely substitute the AirPods and put in like your keys. And you can also add some cards in the back. So here is the bag with the chain strap, and the strap is really good quality. It's beautiful. It's like heavy. You can definitely tell it's really high quality. And if you can see here, it says the word Barbie in rhinestones. And of course I'll take this little plastic off, but this here is not made out of satin. It's made out of this kind of like faux leather. Here is the inside. It's very small, and it does have the word Barbie inside in like pink. I don't care if it's micro small. This is adorable, and I had to have this in my collection. It's absolutely stunning, and it's gonna look so pretty when I wear it as a little mini crossbody. So those were the items that I got from Aldo. Definitely check out their collection. They have a lot of beautiful shoes and handbags. And there are some sunglasses that I want to get next. They're also Barbie, and I wish I would have gotten them, but I might go back and get those. So next, let me go ahead and show you this adorable Barbie candle that I got from Charmed Aroma. Like, look at this beauty. It is absolutely gorgeous. The box is beautiful. It's all pink, and basically it's a candle, and it has a secret jewelry inside. You can get up to 4 different kinds of rings, and once you use all the candle, you can just like take it out and wear your ring. And not only that, but it also has like a little jewelry tray. So let me go ahead and show you, but I am obsessed with this candle. Not only does it smell incredible, but it's beautiful. So it looks like this. So pretty, and it says Barbie. And then this can come out. You can either leave it on the top or take it out to put your jewelry. And it has like a Barbie house with the Barbie silhouette in there. Isn't this like so adorable? This is like the cutest candle I've ever seen. Like I said, it smells incredible. And you do get a ring. I'm actually wearing mine right now, and it's so freaking pretty. I am obsessed with this ring. But I've seen other girls with like different rings, so you do get like different rings in each candle. So I'll leave you the link to this beautiful candle down below. Highly, highly recommend it, and it's the most adorable little thing ever. So that was it for my mini Barbie haul. Did you girls get anything from the Aldo collection? Let me know in the description bar below. I'd love to hear what you got or your thoughts on this beautiful Barbie collection. I love you all so much, and I'll see you all next time. Bye. Baby, take me higher. I'm Sunday, you love